Did you know that in 2024, millions are turning to AI tools to earn money online? Imagine making $500 a day with just a few clicks. Join me as I dive into the top 5 AI tools that could help you reach that goal. As we head into 2024, AI tools are transforming how people make money online. From automating tasks to generating passive income, these tools are quickly becoming essential for anyone looking to boost their earnings. Making money online isn't easy. Whether it's finding the right opportunities, managing time, or knowing which tools to trust, many people struggle to get started. That's where AI comes in. With the right tools, you can overcome these challenges, automating repetitive tasks, improving decision-making, and maximizing productivity. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Today, I'll walk you through 5 AI tools that could help you generate $500 a day. Jasper AI, an AI writing assistant that helps you create engaging content quickly, perfect for blogs, ads, or social media. People are using it to scale freelance writing businesses or boost their marketing efforts, cutting downtime while increasing output. Pictory AI, a video creation tool that turns text into engaging videos. Imagine creating YouTube content or ads in minutes. This tool is a game changer for video marketing and content creators. Copy AI. Whether it's writing email copy, ad campaigns, or social media posts, this AI tool can help you generate high-converting content, leading to more sales and increased passive income. Surfer SEO, for bloggers and affiliate marketers, Surfer SEO helps optimize content for search engines, improving rankings and driving more traffic, which means more clicks and more earnings. Flick, an AI tool that generates hashtags, captions, and analyzes content performance on social media, helping influencers and entrepreneurs grow their online presence and increase their income potential. But the standout tool here is Jasper AI. It's versatile, intuitive, and extremely powerful when it comes to creating content. Whether you're a freelancer, a blogger, or a marketer, Jasper can help you produce high-quality work in a fraction of the time. The best part? Many users are already seeing their income skyrocket, making it possible to reach that $500 a day milestone. These AI tools are opening up new ways to make money online in 2024. From content creation to SEO and social media management, each tool brings something unique to the table, helping you boost your income. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money online, and hit that subscribe button for future updates. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.